Hey everyone, if you've ever thought about switching careers into data science or just want to up your tech game without emptying your wallet, then this video is for you. I'm here to share a golden nugget of information that could quite literally change your career trajectory. Let's dive into the world of free university courses that can teach you coding for data science. First up, let's talk about why you might want to learn coding specifically for data science. Data science is all about extracting knowledge from data. So if you're curious and love solving puzzles, this could be the perfect field for you. But often, the cost of education can be a huge barrier. That's where free online courses from top-notch universities come into play. So, here are 5 courses that I would take if I were starting over. First on the list is Harvard University's CS50's Introduction to Computer Science. This course is not just about learning the code. It introduces you to thinking algorithmically and solving problems efficiently. It covers languages like Python, which is a staple in the data science toolkit. Next, we have Machine Learning by Stanford University. Taught by the renowned professor Andrew Ng, this course dives into the most effective machine learning techniques. It's a bit more advanced, but hey, it's Stanford and it's free. Moving on, MIT offers the Analytics Edge. This course incorporates real-world examples of how analytics can be used to significantly improve business performance, healthcare, and even sports strategies. It teaches you R, another crucial tool for data scientists. For those who are a bit more visual, the University of Michigan's Data Visualization with Python might catch your eye. It's a part of their Python for Everybody specialization and teaches you how to represent data in a way that's both informative and impressive. Lastly, the University of California, Berkeley's Foundations of Data Science. It's a newer course, but don't underestimate it. It covers inferential thinking, computational thinking, and real-world relevance of data science. Now, while these courses are free, the knowledge and doors they can open are invaluable. But remember, learning doesn't stop here. Once you've dipped your toes into the world of coding and data science, keep exploring, keep learning, and who knows, you might just find yourself transitioning into a new, exciting career in no time. So what are you waiting for? Check out these courses, pick one that excites you, and start learning today. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more enlightening content, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Happy learning. Remember, the future belongs to those who learn new skills and combine them in creative ways. Until next time, stay curious and driven. You take care.